dog with the butter.
Joyce.
Okay, guys, we'll get to the video. It happened again? I'm just joking, guys. They just got new chicks, and I can introduce them all. I can grab them.
Here, I'll grab Joyce.
Okay, let's see Joyce now.
Baby Joyce. So how you tell the difference between who?
Joyce has smaller tail feathers, and Abigail has bigger.
And Joyce has a dark red brown on the end of her beak.
Mm-hmm.
And Abigail doesn't.
Okay, come on. And then here is
Oh my God.
Abigail.
Chill.
She has bigger tail feathers than all of them. Eat that right.
So this is Spartacus and that's Shadow.
And that's Shadow.
Boy.
And then
Joyce.
the other ones. What a dog.
I'm but a dog. You dog with your butt out.
And then the other ones. And Hawkeye is being a jerk. So we're gonna have to get rid of him. I don't know. Well, they're gonna have to get rid of them. Oh yeah, we can show you. Okay, I'll show you the other side of the chickens, and there they are. Marshmallow is right by the rooster. Rooster's the black one. Whoa! Right there is Alpha. Not Marshmallow, Penelope. Marshmallow's right there. Phoebe's right there. And the jerk Hawkeye. Okay, that's it for this video.